There is a lot we can learn about living a cleaner life if we open our eyes to the world around us. The Earth uses water to cleanse itself of surface dirt, airborne particulates, allergen, dust, and man-made contaminants. It washes the air and cleanses the environment in which we live and breathe. It's only natural. This works great for outside, but what about inside your home? Wouldn't it be nice to clean your home the most natural way possible? To use water to help contain dirt, dust, and allergen, to remove pet dander, eliminate odors, and leave behind a cleaner, healthier home and fresh-smelling water-washed air? We designed the Rainbow Home Cleaning System to do just that. The Rainbow uses a cleansing water bath to trap household dirt on floors and in household air. It not only cleans the home, but it creates a healthier living space. The Rainbow has been proven to significantly reduce airborne allergen, such as dust mites, pet dander, and pollen, as well as irritants such as smoke, odors, and other unpleasant substances. Allergy Standards Limited, a physician-led organization, has tested the Rainbow. And based on their recommendation, the Rainbow is now certified as asthma and allergy friendly by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. This is big news for anyone who suffers from the allergen and other irritants that commonly trigger asthma and allergic reactions. It's why the Rainbow is the best choice for families the world over. The Rainbow. It's only natural.